Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission.
Keep your PWC in tip-top condition with the Gears Rapids Extreme cover. Whether you're storing your watercraft or towing it on your next adventure, this cover provides maximum protection. Constructed from 600D marine-grade polyester, the Rapids Extreme PWC cover is built to last. This robust material is resistant to cracking, tearing, and fading over time. Durability extends to the seams as well. The double-sewn seams prevent fraying, which is a common issue with many of the cheaper alternatives. All-season protection is a key feature of this cover. It offers water resistance and UV blocking to protect your watercraft's paint from sun damage. Security while towing was an essential consideration, and our cover delivers just that. It has two adjustable straps with quick-release buckles that go underneath your PWC, ensuring the cover stays in place in spite of highway winds. Additionally, we've included a strap that goes over the seat, which prevents the cover from ballooning at high speeds. The snug fit of the cover is achieved by a high-tensile-strength elastic cord built into the hem. Beware of other cheaper covers where the elastic hem cord quickly loses its elasticity. Strategically placed air vents near the rear prevent both condensation during storage and ballooning while towing. The Rapids Extreme PWC cover is available in 3 sizes. This is a universal cover, so we've included a general sizing guide. We recommend going one size down for PWCs manufactured prior to 1998 and those between 2002 and 2006, as the ones produced during these times were quite narrow. We have also included a specific model sizing guide, so if you see your PWC there, you can save yourself the hassle of measuring it. In case you are unsure which size is right for you, the Gears Canada Customer Happiness Team is just a call or text away at 647-400-3081. Here is a brief video showing how quick and easy the installation is.
Here, we pass up, back down, and now when pulling in this direction, it's snug. It won't loosen. There you go.
Okay, so we take that now and we put that here.
Yes, sir. And pass under the whole trailer, under the machine, sorry.
Thank you. Is it long enough?
Yeah.
Okay. And then with the other strap that is also assembled in a similar fashion, we are going to go back across this side of the cover, put it here, pass that underneath, should be this way. So that is now snug there. And this is snug here. Super easy, just like that.
Now, what is the big one for, though?
What is this one?
Right. Snug E, my friend.
There you go.
And this keeps it from ballooning up in the
This
air.
keeps it from ballooning.
In here. Back down there.
Yep.
Tension will lock back on itself. Wonderful. Done.
Wonderful.
And I would always do a little tie off to be safe. Just wrap it under a couple times.
Awesome.
So what are you waiting for? Add to cart and go seize your adventure.